Hello guys, welcome to our video today, and today we are going to convert this image, this JPEG file, to PNG, to BMP, and GIF or GIF as you wish. So let's get started. First, you right click and go to edit. Yeah, and then it brings you this, and then you come to file, you click on file, you come to save as, and then you have all these options. So I'm going to start with PNG picture, and then I'll save it. I'll just call it PNG. Yeah, repeat the same. Save as, BMP, bitmap image, BMP, and lastly save as a GIF or GIF. Let's call it GIF. Yeah, and basically you are done. So if you come to properties, you can see that is a JPEG, the original file. We come to the second, the PNG, check the properties. This type file, it's a PNG, we have converted it. And then that one, type file, it's BMP. And lastly, type file is GIF or GIF. A little bonus tip, if you want to check properties, the shortcut is Alt Enter. When you click Alt and Enter, you get the properties. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, comment, like, share. Thank you.